Hey, this is Adam Huxama from Projection Hub. I'm just going to walk you through our income statement template and show you how to use it. So this is really a very basic 12-month income statement template. And so any cell that's highlighted in blue is a cell that you can change. And then I'm going to just show you an example. So if, let's say we had a coffee shop, and here we would just enter our monthly sales. So let's say that was $10,000 of coffee. Maybe we sold $5,000 worth of food. Let's say we don't have any services. Direct labor. So this would be the baristas or the cooks in this example. So those that are actually making the product, would their costs, their wages would be here in direct labor. So let's say that is $8,000 for the month for direct labor and $2,500 for direct materials. So now we have a gross profit or gross margin of $4,500. And then let's say you spend $100 in advertising, maybe $250 on accounting, your point of sale, service, $500. And you can just see, I'm not going to fill all of this out, but you can enter in these different operating expenses. We have examples of operating expenses, but this isn't every single possible operating expense. So you can come in here and you could change or add different expenses, just overwrite the expense name and put in the dollar amount. And then if you have any income tax expense, you can put that here. And what you're going to get is total sales minus your cost of goods sold, minus your operating expenses, minus your income tax expense gives you net income. And so if somebody is asking you for an income statement and you don't have an income statement already, if you're a very small business and aren't doing bookkeeping and want to do something just manually and produce an income statement, this template could be useful for that. Now, if you've been asked to produce projections, we do have a number of industry-specific templates for 50 or so different industries, and in this template you can just click the Learn More button, and that'll take you to our page where you can see all the different types of businesses we have projection templates for, and all of those templates would include a balance sheet and a cash flow statement with them as well. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.